Welcome to Lolly's Bag YouTube channel, where bag making is made easy. In today's video, we will complete the sewing of our school bag with flap. This is the first inner pocket and this is the second inner pocket. So it's a two-way inner pocket. So this is the main space of the bag and it's also a drawstring bag. It has 4 outer pockets. This is the first, the second, the third, and the fourth. So this is the continuation of the school bag. If you've not watched the first part, you can just click on the link on your screen to access that. All right, let's get started. So we are starting from the flap. You fold the flap into two like this, and then we'll be using our scissors to give it a little shape. So after that, we'll fold it into two and we notch the middle. So this is it. Next, we'll place the second part of this open and close vertically like this, and then we stitch. So this is what it looks like. So what we'll be doing next is that we'll be cutting another material to double it. So we just place it like this, and then you can just leave a little space, so it should be excess a bit. Then we cut. So after that, we fold it into two like this, and then we notch the middle. So I'll be using this fancy. From the notch point, you mark 3.5 inches, and then we place the fancy on it to get where to pierce. So I'll be using the piercer to make a hole. So after that, I will just fix in the fancy. And then I'll use the piercer to tighten it. So this is it. So what we'll be doing next is that we'll place both of them together, place it on each other. Please make sure the notch points are together. Then we stitch it round. So this is it. So this is the shorter handle of the school bag, and the measurement of this short handle is 11 inches. So you fold it into two like this, and after folding it, we leave 1.5 inches. So let me clip it, and we also repeat the same thing for the other side. We leave 1.5 inches on the other side also. So we sew the remaining part. So this is it. So now let's measure the ring holder. It's 7 inches. So after cutting it out, we fold it into two and cut it again. So now we fix it inside our ring like this and stitch. So we fix the other also and stitch. So this is the material for the back. So we fold it into two and notch the middle. After that, From the notch point, we measure 4 inches. So we place the flap. Let me mark it. Mark the middle like this. So we place it like this on the material. Make sure the two mark points are together. After that, we'll place the shorter handle and stitch. So this is it. So what we'll be doing next is that we'll be fixing the adjuster. This is the longer handle. We'll fix it inside the adjuster like this. So we fold the tip and stitch. Repeat the same thing here. We also fold the tip like this and stitch. So this is what it looks like. So now we'll fix it inside the ring. So we fix it inside like this, and after that we pass it through the adjuster this way. So this is it. We repeat the same thing for the other handle. We'll pass it through the adjuster. So now what we do next is that we'll be sewing it to the material. So we start from the ring. We'll measure 2 inches and then we place it like this. Let me clip it. So we do the same thing with this. Please take note. We are sewing the ring part. Measure 2 inches. We'll place it and then we stitch. After that, we'll place the other side like this, just close to the upper handle. So after that, we stitch. So this is what it looks like. So if you have been watching my video, you see that this is a new method of fixing handle. So let me know in the comment section which method you prefer. So we just place this and stitch. So now for the inner pocket, we'll be using our lining. The length is 14 inches and the breadth is 9.5 inches. So I already fixed the zip head to the zipper cloth. We'll fold the tip like this and stitch. After you're done stitching, we'll place the other part like this and then we stitch everything up. So this is what we have. We turn it to the right side. So this is the inner pocket. So now this is the lining of the back part, you fold it into two and notch the middle. So we measure 3 inches from the notch point, and then we get the middle of the purse also. So we place it on that marked point, and we use our office pin to pin it down. So we stitch it like this. Please don't stitch the top. So you see we now have a two-way inner pocket. This is the second part of the pocket. So we place the back material. The two notch points should face each other. Please take note of that, and we stitch. After you're done stitching, we turn it like this. And then we also measure 1.5 inches. And then I will clip it. We do the same for this part, 1.5 inches. And I will clip it. Make sure it's well arranged. So we stitch it like this way, this way. So now we couple everything together. We're coupling the side and everything. If you have any question, this is the front. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe, click the subscribe button. So now you stitch everything straight. So this is the base. We'll place it on the lining and stitch it up. So this is what it looks like. I already cut out the excess lining. So now we'll be attaching it to the bag. We'll place it like this, and you use the clipper to clip everything. After that, we stitch it up. So now I'll be using my piping line to pipe the rough edges round so it looks neat. So this is what we have, looking very neat. So we turn it to the right side. So we'll be fixing the eyelet. I'll place this board under the material. So this is the eyelet and washer. I'll be showing you how to fix this without a puncher and eyelet machine. So to do that, you need two eyelets because we have to destroy one and use one, but you only need one washer. So we'll place the eyelet on the material like this, and then you use your mallet hammer to hit it. So you have to hit it very well until the eyelet make hole on your material. So this is another method to make hole on your bag if you don't have a puncher. So after you're done doing that, you just remove the eyelet. So that's it. If you notice that the material did not come out well, you can just use your scissors to cut it off. So it's very easy. You will notice that the hole will come out neat. So this is it. So now we fix the other eyelet to it like this. And after that, you place your washer. Let me know if you have a different name for this in your place. So you can let me know in the comment section. So use your scissors to cut it in bits. Use it to cut the eyelets in bits. This will help you to be able to fold it well. So just use your scissors to fold the eyelets to the washer. Make sure it's very firm. So it's very easy, only that we have to let go of some eyelets. So if you need 6 hole, you'll be needing 12 eyelets. You see the disadvantage. So if you know you can get a puncher, please do. So this is what we have, looking very neat. Another thing you can do is that you can take it to the market. So those people that have the machine will just help you fix everything. So I will fix the eyelets for all. So the measurement for our rope stopper is 5 inches. You fold it into 2 like this and stitch. So now we turn it to the right side. Make sure the stitch part is at the middle. Then we stop stitch. So this is what we have. You can use material if you want. So now this will be the material for the rope. You can also use the material for the bag. So we fold it this way and stitch. I will advise you to apply machine oil for easy sewing. So we stitch it straight. So this is what we have. I'll be fixing it to our bag. If you know you learned anything from this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't want the rope to come out from one hole, you have to make the eyelet at the front 4 instead of 3 like mine, so it can come out from different eyelets. So now we'll fix the stopper like this. So you tie the tip so it won't fall off. Just making note. So we tie the other one also. So like I said earlier, you can use the material of the bag to make this rope if you want. So we just tighten it like this. And then you tie. So we cover it. Our bag is ready. So like, share, subscribe, leave a lovely comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.